What does it mean to have attachment issues? In about 30 seconds, I'm going to share some signs of what an insecure attachment style actually looks like. But first, I want you to know that there's nothing wrong with you. But you are missing some valuable information that will help you build and cultivate the types of relationships that you truly desire. You'll have a better understanding of how you relate to other people, as well as how they receive you, or at least how you think they receive you. You can go your whole life without learning about or hearing about attachment styles. And no matter how old you are, I want you to know that it's never too late to build a secure attachment style. And it all starts by building a secure attachment style with yourself. And doing the healing work is a big part of this process. It's getting to know yourself physically, mentally, emotionally, and spiritually. You start asking deeper and more existential questions about your life. You begin to realize that something's awakening inside of you that's pulling you in this direction of self-education and personal development. It's a calling to show up as your most authentic self. So, what are some signs that you have an insecure attachment style? Number one, you may have a fear of abandonment. You constantly worry that your partner may leave you or that you're not enough to keep their interest. And this can lead to behavior that's a little bit embarrassing or out of character. You may feel like you're being clingy or overly dependent. Number two, you may have difficulty trusting others. You may find yourself constantly doubting your partner's loyalty to you, even when you don't have a concrete reason as to why. Number three, you seek constant reassurance. You may find yourself frequently asking your partner, "Do you love me?" And it can also look like constant texting. And a lot of times you're actually anxious about something else that's going on in your life, or there's some other situation or circumstance that you're going through. And so you're looking for the validation from your partner in that moment, that when you finally get that text message back from them, now you can relax. And of course, if you don't get that text message back right away, that increases those feelings of anxiousness. These are just a few signs. If you want a part two, comment below.